Okay, so 4.1. Deputy Mayor, if you'd like to come forward, thank you.
Right, okay. Good morning, Nick. If you'd like to bring us up to date with the Kinloch Lakefront Reserve.
Good afternoon, Councillors. You'll see on your agenda today you've got a number of sequential items dealing with the matters at Kinloch. This first item which I've prepared is simply providing you with further information and essentially introducing the 173 submissions that were not previously presented to you when you made your decision making back in December last year. What I would suggest is over the coming items you're going to be receiving some additional information in terms of the views of an action group and a petition, and then you'll be moving into another item where you will have the opportunity to debate the matters surrounding Kinloch and the management of that Esplanade Reserve. What I'd suggest is that I take this item as being read at this point so you can accept the information, and that if you require any further officer advice, the appropriate time for you to seek that may well be when you get to that item where you're discussing the motion that's being put forward. At that point you will have all the information you need and you can seek any officer advice at that stage.
Thanks, Nick. Is there any further queries from the councillors?
No, interrupt. We can hear this gentleman really well. We can't hear you people at all, or not very easily.
Sorry, can you hear us? Thank you, and welcome to members of the public. My apologies. Nice to see so many people here today. So, do we have a mover for the item?
I'll move those.
Thank you, Councillor Jollins. And a seconder? Thank you, Ari. So that item is moved. All in favour? Thank you. Against? Carried. Thank you.